Yeah, I mean, I guess we could just put a regular corner bead up there, but I think we're gonna do something a little different. Watch this. This right here is a Z or a Z bead. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut out some of that drywall because what we're doing is incredibly high end. Do not try this at home unless you want to. I'll have to keep at it. Oh. So as you can see, we didn't do a regular corner bead, and now you've got this really cool reveal. But I don't want to just leave it there. We're going to use what's called a Z or a Z bead from Trim-Tex. This right here is a Z or a Z bead. Huh. I could explain it, but I think I'd just rather show you how it works. So watch this. In threes. Cool. What? Okay. Told you I'd show you how to do it.